So hi, in this video we'll see how to plot Google Maps and marker on the map in the INIC Capsica application. So first we have to add the script tag of the Google Maps API in the index.html file. So let's do this first, then we can next proceed other. So this is the index.html file. We have to put here inside body tag. We have to put that script. So this is the script tag. Make sure you have entered your API key from Google Developer Console here, because without API key map will not plot correctly. Uh, so API key is the must. So make sure you have inserted here. So now we have to call a function to plot Google Maps. So we have to go to the page ts file, that is gmap.page.ts. So here we will plot Google Map. So Google Maps and marker. Let's declare a Google variable here, because we will use this variable to plot maps and marker. This is the map variable, this is marker variable, and we have to define GPS coordinate where we have to plot map and marker. So latitude, so this is the GPS coordinate lat long, and we will use this lat long to plot the map. So let's come inside Google Maps and marker. So first we will define the map options. So map options is we will define center here, center lat, this dot latitude, this dot longitude, and zoom. Zoom is about 10, map zoom. And now we will create map object. This dot map equal to new Google Maps dot map document dot get element by ID. This ID will define on the HTML of the page, because on that particular HTML map will be plotted. So ID must be map on the HTML side for the div, and absolutely map options. Map option. So this will plot the map on the HTML. And now we have to define the marker on the map. So this dot marker new Google Maps marker, position of the marker is absolutely center of the map. So this dot map get center. This will return the center and assign to the position of the marker. Absolutely on which map you have to plot the marker. So we have to define the map, this dot map. So map is this dot map, and so it will plot the marker on the map. So everything is finished in the TS part, map plotted, marker plotted. So we have to go to the HTML. HTML, let's build HTML. So HTML is this div. Let's say add style some height. Let's say 70% of the page, and ID must be map as we already declared in the TS. So this is the id with map, and this is a div where the map will be plotted when the page load. Absolutely, we have to call this method inside ng on init to plot the map. So we'll add this also when the map load, this function is called and the map will be plotted on the uh, stream. Let's check. So this is the map. We'll load it again, and you can see there is map and marker on it. This is on center of the map as we already write in code. So if it's helpful for you, you like this, please subscribe and please wait for the next video. Thanks for your time. Thank you.